I can't seem to get the hang of it. Why is it that every time I blow up a balloon, it gets bigger and bigger?
Are you having difficulties understanding science?
Worry no more because
We are your sciencers.
In today's lesson, we are going to talk about Avogadro's law. So, what is this law?
In a gas, its physical behavior is described by these four variables, namely pressure, volume, temperature, and amount or mole. In Avogadro's law, it is only concerned about the relationship between the volume and the amount of gas. This condition is true when temperature and pressure is constant. This law was formulated and named after Amadeo Avogadro in late 1812. He hypothesized that two identical samples of an ideal gas, each of the same volume, temperature, and pressure, would contain the same number of molecules. We will talk about the relationship between volume and amount of gas following this graph as shown. When we write it in mathematical terms, we have volume is directly proportional to amount. This relation can also be expressed as the volume over amount is equal to some constant if we have a gas under two different conditions. We can also write this formula as the first volume over the first amount of gas in moles is equal to second volume over the second amount of gas in moles. In this formula, we can see that under a certain condition of the gas, increasing the volume would result in decreasing the amount of gas. Thus, decreasing the volume would result in decreasing the amount of gas simultaneously.
So now let's do a sample problem. The initial amount of dry ice is 1 mole, and it occupies a volume of 2 liters. What is the volume if we increase the amount of dry ice into 2 mole? So first, let's identify the given. The given first volume is equal to 2 liters. First amount is equal to 1 mole, and the second amount is equal to 2 mole. So in this problem, we need to find the final volume. Hence, we need to substitute the given values to the formula. Solving for the final volume, we have 4 liters. So that means the final volume is 4 liters. Doubling the amount of mole also doubles the volume.
In order for us to understand more about the concept of Avogadro's law, we will be demonstrating it through an experiment by using common household items. What we need is sodium bicarbonate, a vinegar, 3 plastic bottles, and 3 balloons.
Pour vinegar in each of the plastic bottles. In this experiment, we are using different amounts of sodium bicarbonate. As you can see, I assigned 2 tablets for the red, 4 tablets in the magenta, and 6 tablets in the blue balloon. Allow the tablets to make contact with the vinegar and observe. The red balloon with 2 tablets of sodium bicarbonate drew the smallest among them. However, the biggest one was the blue balloon with 6 tablets of sodium bicarbonate.
The more vinegar and bicarbonate, the bigger the balloon will be. The experiment shows Avogadro's gas law, which shows that the number of atoms or molecules of a gas is directly proportional to the volume occupied by the gas at constant temperature and pressure.
So that's it. We hope that you have learned something new. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to beep you up if we have new videos about science.
Always know that in everything you do, science is with you. Bye!
That video explained it very well. So the reason behind my balloon shrinking is demonstrated through Avogadro's law, since by blowing up the balloon, you can add moles of gas to it, increasing its volume. Now I completely get it.